Ma'am, we have done 3 words yesterday.
We have only done 3 words. Okay, so let's continue. I will include all the words from all the 3 chapters today. Okay, so let's use this 40 minutes class for dictation from all the chapters that are coming in the UP. Let everybody join in, and everybody will keep their videos on, beta. My class should be perfectly 100% with their videos on, and all the classes, all the subjects, not only in my class. Devyanshu, Dhwani, Akshat, beta, I'm waiting.
Ma'am, we have to continue with both number.
Yes, you have to. What were those 3 words?
Ma'am, the first word was plateau, second was acacia, and the third one was
Third one was
and the third.
eucalyptus.
Yes, ma'am.
Eucalyptus. Okay, children, those who were not there yesterday, we are doing dictation. So you have to write these 3 words in your copies, and the words are plateau. Write down, everybody who has not written. I will type. No, why will I type? Acacia, plateau, acacia, and eucalyptus. Swarnim, Akshat, Vedant, why are you not putting your videos on? Akshat, sit down at one place. Where are you roaming? Vedant, Divyank, Premi. Vedant, put your video on.
Ma'am, what was the third word?
The third word was eucalyptus. We have studied eucalyptus trees.
Yes, ma'am.
The third word is that. Okay, Vedant, network is unstable. All right, fine. What about others? Swarnim Avasthi. Swarnim?
You will tell the same thing.
Ridyansh, beta, put yourself on mute. We are doing dictation words from all the 3 chapters that will be coming in the UTs. The first 3 words are plateau, acacia, and eucalyptus.
Ma'am, but yesterday you have said we will do only chapter number 12 difficult words.
Now today we have this full class, the whole class. Yesterday we were left with less time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so today let's complete the hard words, the difficult words of all the 3 chapters. Everyone has written these 3 words?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, spelling of second word. Beta, the second word.
Ma'am, I have written all the 3 spelling same.
Very good, very nice. Children, when you find it difficult for big words, please break the word and then learn their spellings. Everybody put your videos on except for Mehul and Vedant. Except for Mehul and Vedant, each one of you will put your videos on.
What we are doing?
We are doing dictation words.
Okay, ma'am.
Were you there yesterday, Mehul? Mehul, were you there yesterday in the SST class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you must have done 3 words.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll continue from the 4th word. Everybody take out your copies in which you were doing your work yesterday. And everybody please put your video on. Very good, Swarnim. You have put your video on. Very nice. Very good, Ishika. Very good, Akshat. Very good, Ridyansh. Others, I expect you also to be like them and put your videos on. Okay, the next word is Nilgiri. Nilgiri.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
Good. Nilgiri. I'll write in the chat box. Children, check if you have written the same or not.
And please send the third one also in chat box.
Beta, it is already there in the chat box.
Ma'am, my same. Ma'am, my is correct.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, my is correct.
Sending all the 4 words once again that we have done so far. Those who have joined late, please see from here. All the
Ma'am,
dictation.
my correct.
Done? Then
Yes, ma'am.
the next word is Jharkhand.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Is it the same?
Yes, ma'am, it's same. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, correct.
Anybody who has made mistake can raise hands and let us know.
Ma'am, my same.
There is no problem if you confess, if you admit your mistake. Okay. The next one is Chhattisgarh.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
Written?
Ma'am, written. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, written.
Is it the same?
I'm letting Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very
Yes,
nice.
ma'am. Same.
The next is
Ma'am, it is same.
very good. Very nice. The next word is Vindhyas.
Ma'am, what?
Vindhyas. The Satpura and the Vindhya range. Vindhyas.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Done.
Ma'am.
Is this what you have written?
Yes, ma'am. Good
Okay.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. The next word is
Sorry, ma'am, for late.
Garv always. This is not for the first time. You're always late in my class. In other classes also you're late like this?
No, ma'am.
No. Then why only in SST?
Hello.
Who was he?
I'm not known.
Garv Agarwal. Garv Agarwal, we are doing dictation words. Better please see these words and write in your copy. I have sent these 5 words.
Okay, ma'am.
We have done 7 words, children, so far.
Yes, ma'am, we have done 7 words now.
All right.
Yes, ma'am, we
Beta, don't type in between. I want these words to come in one go. Okay, nobody will type in the chat box now. Garv, you can see these words from here in the chat box and write in your copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I want to know that where are these students sleeping today? Are you all sleeping behind the cameras that you can't put your cameras on?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I was in the chat box. That's why my camera was off.
I have not seen Anjali today. I have not seen Divyanshu Dev, Devansh Chaudhary, Divyank Premi.
They are absent.
No, they are present in the class, but their cameras are off. Maybe they're having their breakfast. Are you eating your food that you want to hide yourself, or you are sleeping?
No, ma'am.
Then,
No,
what are you doing?
I'm
Who is saying yes?
That's why I late.
Devansh Chaudhary, Divyanshu Dev. Let me see your faces. Yes. Very good, Devansh Chaudhary. Very good, Om. Divyanshu, very good.
Ma'am, my son, I opened chat box. That's why my videos paused.
Okay. No, beta, it's okay. I understand when it gets paused and when it is not on only. I understand the difference between the two. Then the next word is situated. The next word is situated.
Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
Is this what you have written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No.
No?
No.
Okay, no
No.
problem. Learn it and make the correction.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. By same as.
Very nice. The ninth word is Uttarakhand.
Ma'am, it's very easy.
Let's see.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Okay, Pratyusha,
Ma'am,
tell me
done.
what have you written? Tell me the
Ma'am,
spelling.
Uttarakhand.
Tell me what have you written?
Ma'am, UTTAR. Ma'am, UTTAR.
Whom have I asked? I have asked it to Pratyusha, na? Yes, Pratyusha.
UTTARKHAND.
UTTAR.
KHAND.
So you have written Uttarakhand. Wrong spelling. Yes, Adrika, now say.
Ma'am, UTTARAKHAND.
Okay, Pratyusha.
Okay, ma'am.
Now make this correction.
Okay.
Nityansh, what have you written? Uttarakhand.
Ma'am, UTTRAKHAND.
So you have written Uttarakhand. It's Uttarakhand. 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 Now I'll ask you. Otherwise, all of you are saying, ma'am, I have written right. I have written right.
Ma'am, then I. Ma'am, I have written you.
Uttarakhand. Now check the spellings from here and then make the correction.
Ma'am, corrected.
Okay. The next word is tourist. Tourist.
Ma'am, written.
Written?
Written.
Okay, Swarnim will tell what has he written. Swarnim, what have you written, beta?
Ma'am, TOURISTS.
Very nice. Pratishtha, what have you written? Unmute. Beta, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I have written TOURIST.
Very nice. Those who have not written correct, please make this correction. The next is Himalayas. Himalayas.
Ma'am, written.
Written?
Ma'am, written. Written, ma'am.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am,
Okay, Ishika Patel. Ishika Patel, what have you written? Put your camera on. Himalayas.
HIMALAYS.
Very nice. Very good. What has Garv written? Garv, let us know.
HIMALAYS.
Very good. Himalayas. Very good.
Ma'am, I have written this only.
Very nice. Those who have not written it correct, make the correction if at all needed. Okay. The next word is Indo-Gangetic.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, written. Can I tell?
Vedant, what have you written?
Ma'am, done.
Vedant, unmute yourself.
INDO
Yes.
GENGETIC.
Wrong. Anybody
Ma'am,
else?
can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Anjali will tell.
INDO GANGATIC.
GATIC.
GANGATIC.
No, wrong.
Ma'am,
Okay, Swarnim will tell.
INDO GANNATIC.
Wrong. Okay. Devyanshu Dev will tell. Devyanshu Dev.
Ma'am, INDO GANGATI. Can I? Ma'am, I tell.
Garv. Okay, Garv, you tell.
Ma'am, INDO GENGETD.
TD.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Mehul. 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 Mehul is not there in the class. He has disappeared.
Ma'am, I is correct. Ma'am, can I tell?
Mehul, tell the spellings.
Ma'am, I is correct. Once more.
Ma'am, what?
Can I tell? Ma'am,
Yes,
can I tell
Mehul.
once more?
Everybody mute yourself. Mehul is telling now. Yes, Mehul.
INDO
Yes.
INDO
Yes.
GANGET.
GET.
Ma'am, GE. Yes, ma'am, GET.
GET. Finish then.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can
Indo-Gangetic.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am,
Okay, now Pratishtha tell.
Ma'am, spelling is INDO GANGETIC.
Yes. I-N-D-O, Indo, Gangetic, G-A-N-G-E-T-I-C. See, so many of you made mistake in Indo Gangetic.
Ma'am, I already sent in chat box.
Yes, you have written in the
Ma'am,
chat
I have
box.
written this.
Vedant, where is your spelling?
Ma'am,
You are
I have
asking, ma'am,
written-
my spelling. Ma'am, this is the confusing spelling. That is why
Ma'am-
we are learning it, beta.
Ma'am,
Why are we doing spellings? Because they are very confusing.
ma'am, my little is wrong.
Your little is wrong. Even that
Ma'am, my
little
spelling.
gives you 0 marks out of 1. So, the next is glacier. The next word is glacier. Let me see how many type it right.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, done.
Beta, don't do I will ask. Dhwani Kushwaha. Dhwani, are you there? Yes. What is the spelling of glacier? C-I-E-R. Very good. Beta, nobody will type in the chat box. Ridyansh, Anjali, please stop it.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, after glacier, what is the spelling of distributary?
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
done.
written.
Pratyusha Singh will tell what she has written.
Ma'am, I am writing the spelling.
Okay, right. I will wait for you.
Ma'am, written.
Okay,
The
speak.
spelling is Distributre.
Wrong. Devansh Chaudhary. Devansh Chaudhary will tell. Devansh Chaudhary. Devansh Chaudhary, unmute yourself and speak. Distributary.
D-I-S
Hmm.
T-E-B-U-T-R-Y.
No, wrong.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
D-I-S-T-R-I-B-U-T-A-R-Y.
Okay, Swarnim will tell. Swarnim.
Ma'am, D-I-S-T-R-I-B-U-T-A-R-Y.
Very nice. Distributary. Mehul, can you repeat the spelling of distributary?
I-S-T-R-I-B-U-T-E.
Huh? Mehul, what happens in the end to you? You end up words without finishing them. See in the chat box, children. Distributary.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, spelling is correct of mine.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Very
same.
nice. But Pratyusha, while speaking, you did not speak this. You said T-I. You did not say T-R-I. You made it distributary. Okay, the next one. Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Adrika Johari will tell me the spelling of Brahmaputra.
Ma'am, I am writing. Wait.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, the spelling is BHRAMPUTRA.
BHRAM. No. Wrong. Wrong. Devyanshu Dev. Devyanshu Dev, tell.
Ma'am, Brahmaputra.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hmm. Wrong. Mehul,
Yes, ma'am.
tell.
BHA
Wrong.
RM.
Wrong. Anjali.
BHRAMA.
Wrong. Akshat Sahu, tell. Beta, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, now can I tell?
Wait, beta, wait.
BRAMPUTRA.
Yes. BRAHMAPUTRA. So, are you looking in the book and speaking?
No, ma'am.
Okay, children, it's not Brahmaputra, it's Brahmaputra. Brahma. You have heard of Lord Brahma? Lord Brahma. Yes.
I break the word, then I write.
It is Brahm.
Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra. BRAHMA.
And next word.
The next word is Brahmaputra. Aravali. Aravali.
Ma'am, what?
Aravali.
I'm done. Ma'am, written. Ma'am, written.
Yes, good. What have you written?
Ma'am, can I tell?
And what do you say?
Ridyansh.
Okay. ARAVALI.
ARAV. Wrong.
Ma'am, can I?
Pratyusha. Okay, Pratyusha will tell.
What word you say?
Aravali. Aravali.
ARAWALI.
Wrong. Okay. Devyanshu Dev.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes. Tell.
ARAVALI.
ARAVALI.
Yes, ma'am.
Wrong. Okay.
Ma'am, can I
Ridyansh, you
tell?
tell. Ridyansh, tell.
AL. Ma'am, can I tell? ARAVALLI.
Yes. Aravali is Aravali. VALLI. Aravali. Aravali
Ma'am, I
Hills.
have written this in.
Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, first I forgot to write the L.
So how many words have you written, children?
Ma'am, 16 words.
16
Ma'am,
words.
15 words. 15.
No, 16. Okay. The next word is channel. Channel.
I'm written. I'm written.
Written. Devansh Chaudhary, tell me the spellings of channel.
Ma'am, CHAMALE.
Wrong.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Divyank Premi. Divyank Premi, can you tell?
अरे बाथरूम में
Ma'am, please repeat the read the words from 11 to 15, ma'am, because I think that I have missed some word, because ma'am, you are saying that we have written 16 words, and here in my notebook
Okay,
I have
okay, 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 okay. Got it, got it. 12th word.
Ma'am, please.
The 12th word was Indo-Gangetic. 13th word was glacier. Then it's distributary. Then it's Brahmaputra. Then it's Aravali. What was the 11th word, children?
Ma'am, Himalayas. The 11th word was Himalaya.
Himalayas.
Ma'am, Himalayas. Spelling of 16th word.
What is the 16th word?
Ma'am,
Aravali.
spelling in chat box.
Okay, writing, wait.
Ma'am, can I tell you the spelling of channels?
Then 17. Yes, what is the spelling of channel?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Tell
Ma'am, can
Adrika.
I tell? Ma'am, can I tell? Channels is CHANNELS. Channels.
Very nice. CHANNELS. Channels.
Ma'am, I don't have written S.
Ma'am, I have written this only.
Very good. Very nice. Channels. Then the next word is estuary. Estuary.
This word.
Mhm. Now who will tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Please repeat again.
Estuary.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Now I want somebody else to tell. Ishika Patel. Ishika Patel will tell.
Ma'am, you don't
Ma'am,
ask
please
from
tell
Aska.
I have not asked you, Pratyusha.
81.
No, ma'am, you have asked me.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, please tell the.
Where is Ishika Patel? She has gone.
No, ma'am. She has written in the chat box what is the word.
What is the word? Beta, the word is. What is the word, children? Estuary.
Ma'am, estuary.
Yes. Estuary. Ishika Patel, can you tell now?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Swarnim will tell.
Ma'am, the spelling of estuary is ESTUARY.
Very nice. Very good. Eighteenth word, estuary. Then the 19th word. Beta, please mute yourself, Garv. And Om Agarwal also.
Ma'am, please send the 18th word and 19th word in chat box.
19th word तो बेटा अभी हुआ ही नहीं है.
19 word is
There is no 19th word. I don't understand. Hridyansh, don't send in between, beta. Now this happens. I'm typing in the chat box and it is going privately to you. 18th word is estuary.
We have not said 15
15th word was Brahmaputra.
Ma'am, what?
Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra.
Ma'am, please repeat 19 word.
19th word is drainage.
Ma'am, what?
Drainage. Drainage.
इसमें बहुत चीजें डाल दी उसे
Drainage. Anushka Sharma. Mute yourself. Drainage.
What can I tell? Ma'am, written.
Okay.
3 words, 17, 18, 19 because of network error.
Okay, Vedant. So 18th word was estuary. 19th word is drainage. And 20th word is not yet spoken. Estuary and drainage.
Ma'am, what is 20 word?
Anushka, you better pay attention in the class. I have not yet spoken the 20th word. Akshat Sahu will tell the spelling of the 19th word, drainage. Yes, Akshat. Akshat, beta, unmute yourself. There are some students who will not mute themselves. There are some students who don't unmute while speaking.
Ma'am, pushing. Are.
What spellings are you telling? बेटा कौन से वर्ड के स्पेलिंग बता रहे हो? What is the spelling of drainage? Drainage.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Akshat,
E.
yes, yes,
DR.
yes,
DRA.
yes.
NA.
You have eaten I in between. DRAINA. Drain. What is the spelling of drain? Just like train.
Ma'am, can I tell?
DRAIN. Drain. And what is the spelling of age? No. What is the spelling of age?
AGE.
Yes.
DR.
DRAINAGE. Drainage. Bhavishya Gaur, tell the spelling of drainage. Devansh Chaudhary is sleeping in the class. Is this how you attend your class? Bhavishya Gaur, tell the spelling of drainage.